You're stopped for DUI and you have to go to drug court. Do you have anything else to expound on that with
Well,
me, Ken?
I think that falls in line with what we were talking about in terms of the deferment program. Some counties actually have what are called drug courts, and they might fold in a DUI case into the drug court to do the same type of thing where they jump through some hoops and maybe be able to earn a dismissal of the charge.
Okay. All right. Ken?
You know, this is something that everybody wants to know the answer to, and I'm not asking you to say what you should do or what you shouldn't do, but what happens if you choose, if a person has been drinking, they get pulled over, what happens if they elect not to blow if the officer asks them to?
Well, in our state, there's something called the implied consent statute that says if you accept a driver's license or the privilege to drive, you've already given your agreement that you'll submit to a breath alcohol test, or really a blood alcohol test. And most municipalities, agencies designate the breath test of that device. And if you refuse to take that test, then there'll be an administrative action against your driver's license, with a first being a 90-day suspension, but there are some ways to challenge that. They give you a temporary permit that's valid for 45 days, and during that period of time you can challenge the suspension.
Can you drive to work?
During that first 45 days, you're 100% valid, but after that point in time, if you're not successful in challenging the suspension, you're 100% suspended. There's no type of hardship license or work permit.
What if I'm in school? I'm a teenager. I need to drive to school.
Tough luck.
How about that?
Wow.